So what we can also do is record voiceovers inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So to do that, you can press the plus button right here, and here you can see voiceover is a button. So you can go around and click right here. And once you do that, you can see that the voiceover layer is activated right here. So you can go around and click on tap to record. And then what happens is that after the countdown, you can simply go around and start saying whatever you want and it'll be recorded. So you can go around over here and tap to stop recording. So this is what you have, and if you were to go around and press the play button, you can simply go around and start saying whatever you want and it'll be recorded. So that is what you have, as you can see, just like this. And if you want to record in another layer, you can go around over here onto the microphone button over here as well and target this track for recording and then tap to record. And then you can start recording over here again, and once you stop, the recording gets stopped right here, and there you go, there's your recorded audio right here. And as with any other audio clip, you have the option to edit this out as well. So you can go around and then enhance the audio right here, reduce the echo, as you can see that because this is a voice recorded audio right here. Recording over here again. And what you can also do is you can go around and choose others right here, because this is a voiceover. You can go around and see, start recording, and that sounds different, as you can see right here. For voice, you can see that you can go for auto volume, balance sound, you can reduce out echo, or you can enhance out the lower pitch over here as well, over here again, or you can go around and enhance out the higher pitch as well. You can start recording. So that is how you can work around with recording of voiceovers inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.